Hi there, just wanted to let you know about an update that we've done to how we publish reviews on sites. So you've always been able to have a review on a product page, but what we've done in an update is just do some reskinning of how that looks on the front end to your customers. And we've also put in some automated workflows that mean that you can fully automate the process of asking for reviews from your products and your guests, which is fantastic because your reviews are really just golden user-generated content. So on your product page, you may or may not have a review section here. And again, this really is great content. You see the language that customer is using. This is really good content for you on your product page. Plus it is a great review and you've got your star rating there. We've added in the helpful button and we've restyled how the stars look. But how can you ask for these reviews automatically? So in your website admin area, you'll need to go to settings, automation workflows, browse all, and you'll see under the review section that you have 5 review automated workflows, and the set of 3 that are in orange are the ones that we would recommend as the base set, but the others are also there for you if you'd like to go and have more communication with your customer. So the first one to put in is after invoice, remind customer to leave review, because what this does is it says, look, X number of days after your customer has been invoiced for items, you're going to ask them for a review of your product. So let's have a look at how that one looks. What we've done is set it up to go 14 days. That's 2 weeks after somebody bought the product. Sending default headers. You may have these if these have been styled up for you. Subject to from, and here's the body content. And the important thing to note is review email items here, this field substitution. And what that does in the email is populate into the email the items that the customer has bought with a star rating next to them. And that star rating, the customer can actually hover over, see the colors change, and select their star rating, and they'll be directed to the site and the star rating will be held. So it is a really lovely user experience for your customers. It really is just a click and then an OK on your site. And like I say, this can be sent to customers and guests alike. So previously, this could only be done to customers. So save changes. So that's the first one. It's automate asking for email, asking for reviews. Secondly, you want to automate publishing them. This is a very good workflow to put in that really just stops any spam or unwanted content going onto your site through the review form. So we'd recommend that one. And then thirdly, you want to automate saying thank you to your reviewee. So here you'd be able to put a thank you email in. And again, you can use these fields to give somebody a link to their review, show the review content, and click save. So those are the workflows that we've put in. There are 2 other places you can look. So if you want to look for your reviews, you can go My Site Reviews. And again, this has had an update to the look. It's got your star rating and you've got options to publish, and you can see here whether something's published or not. This sign shows a published status. And the other place to look, you just want to check that on the product field, you've actually got the reviews. So if we go back to our product page on the front end, we see that we've got reviews in a tab here. It's worth checking that this is in your product layout preset. So you can do that if you go to your admin area and you go to presets. It's the layout preset, product item, and just checking that your reviews are in there. So to recap, to automate reviews, you need to just put in a few workflows. And they're down here under review. So you'll need one after invoice, one to check before you publish, and one to say thank you to your reviewee. Second, you can look for your reviews under My Site Reviews. And thirdly, you can check you've got reviews on a product layout preset under presets layout. So we hope you like it, and if you have any questions or would like any support from our design team, do not hesitate to get in touch. Thanks. Bye-bye.